Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide is it worth it or not for you. Today I have a SnackCrate. I don't know what month it's from. I want to say it's July, but it might be August. The month I'm currently filming in, it's September. And this one is the latest box every month. There's no real date on here for me to like really say, yes, for sure, it's this month. So I feel like it's July though. That's just my guess. I've opened it already, just to check and see what it was. And then there's some fun thing on the top here. But hold on, let me pull those off before. So the month here for our SnackCrate is Russia, which is really fun, place I haven't been. And the first thing that actually was on here are these tiny little like Matryoshka doll buttons, like little nesting doll buttons. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They're very cute, but so bizarre for something that came in the box. Okay, here's our snack information list. Let's read some fun facts about Russia, which the capital of is Moscow, and it was, the country of Russia is actually younger than I am. The Trans-Siberian Railroad, which connects Moscow to the Far East Russia, is the longest railroad in the world, spanning 5,772 miles, and crosses 8 time zones. Although this game quickly gained international popularity, the first edition of Tetris was invented in 1984 by the Russian programmer Alexei Pazanov. Oh, Russian names are not my best. Also, if you would like a quick history of the country of Russia, or how the country that became Russia, I suggest you go and find the Evolution of Tetris video on YouTube, which is a song about Russia, like the country and all of its politics that it's gone through, set to the Tetris theme. It is both educational and really entertaining, guys. It's really great. It's one of my favorite YouTube videos. It's probably like 10 years old at this point. It's not new. Traffic in Moscow is so horrendous that some wealthy Muscovites buy ambulances so they can drive freely during rush hour. This seems like super illegal. But okay. For a brief moment in the 90s, PepsiCo made a deal with Russia that left them with one of the largest submarine fleets in the world. Pepsi gave them a bunch of submarines. And the last one here, Russia is home to the oldest and largest freshwater lake in the world. Lake Baikal contains nearly 20% of the world's fresh water. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. And I've got some other things on here explaining Russia, how it's on 2 continents, has 11 time zones, it borders 16 countries. But yeah, Russia great. So let's get into some snacks. Our thing today also has little nesting dolls on it. Also, all I can read just on here is vodka. Beef stroganoff. I like that. I doubt either of those things is in this box, but man, if there was some vodka in here, that would be a trip. Like a huge trip. Okay, so the first thing on here, this is another thing, the lettering is not at all English, so it will be fun for me, but I'm gonna guess this is some kind of cheese potato chip. Okay, where's the English on here? Maybe there's no English. Maybe these are all just different. Oh, interesting. I'm so used to like multilingual packaging having something on here, so I guess let's go here. Let's go to my snack thing. So these are the thinnest crisps, often pack the loudest crunch. The snack is dusted in a creamy and savory cheese flavor. That's all that's on here. There's not a lot. So these are cheese flavored chips. Okay. When I was in Japan, I accidentally bought like cheese fondue flavored chips one time. They were the best. These remind me of those. Now, this is a delicious cheesy potato chip. I'll put those down, because otherwise I'll eat that whole bag right now. Give me a second, I'm gonna get some water. tomato something. They look kind of like breadsticks, honestly. Okay, these are crispy and crunchy and doused in flavor. These rusks are coated in a rich tomato and herb dusting. Okay. They look like croutons. They taste like tomato croutons. It's like pizza sauce, but in hard bread form. And let me tell you, I like it. I'm so sorry. It's got to be so loud to listen to. I can't hear you because they're just loud. Okay, I think these are gummies. It's a car and a plane. They seem like gummies. And these are not on my thing. Again, we have the thing where I have snacks that aren't here. But yeah, these are little gummies. So, on here it says they're bears, but clearly mine are helicopters and cars. And there's a passion fruit, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, pineapple, and apple flavored chewy jelly. That's like awesome. Those are way better flavors than we have. I love gummies. Man, guys, these are so hard. These unboxings are the hardest because all I want to do is just shove all this food in my face. So far, we're 3 for 3. Fun fact, it says there's only 5 snacks because it counts the little buttons as a snack, but there's definitely 6 in here. It says babushka doll, and it says we've included a souvenir button that can be sewn onto your clothing or used in a scrapbook to remind you of your Russian adventure. Okay. Next thing in here, I'm going to leave the one... Okay, so the one thing in here, I'll show you. It looks like a strip waffle, so there's like really thin waffles filled with caramel. And I think... Yeah, it's on the other side. So I don't get the original, but that's part of the like original. But let's actually get into it while I said it. So this is, yeah, it's a waffle sandwich. If you've had these before, they're great. If you haven't, you should try them. No. Yeah, it's just caramel. It's nothing really different. And you know what? That's fine, because I love these things. Again, all I want to do is eat it. You can find these at like coffee shops. Pretty frequently, you can buy them in like the grocery store too. They're super good. Okay, the next thing in here is a biscuit sandwich cake. Banana. Sweet and spongy shortcake with a decadent banana cream filling in the shape of a fun animal. In this case, I think it's in the shape of a hippopotamus. I'm wrong, it's a monkey. Okay, so it's a banana, like, cake film. Okay, so it's been a while since I've had it, so the cream is mostly, like, filled in, but man, I got so many banana snacks recently. Good though. Don't worry, I'll eat that later. I just have one more thing in here that I want to get to. This is the last thing in here, which is also a waffle. It looks like it's a filled waffle. And this says it's a Yashkino soft waffle, a soft and fluffy home-style waffle that is literally jam-packed. Enjoy a tart cherry filling in this breakfast favorite. Oh my god. That sounds so good. Well, ow. So yeah, it's a waffle. Okay. Interesting. I didn't get a lot of filling in that one, so I'll have to take another bite. But, pretty good waffle. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice filled waffle. I love it. Yeah, like I said, I'll eat that later too. Okay, with that, I think that brings me to the end of my Russian journey. So I think I am leaning more towards the Universal Yums. They have a little bit more information about the food I'm eating, but let's be real, I liked everything in this. I'm gonna eat another piece of hard tomato bread right now. So good. But like waffles, chips, gummies, man. Gummies. I love it. This is so good. So on here it also says it has the how to make Russian shrinky. So it uses farmer's cheese, egg, flour, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil for frying. Basically, you crumble up the cheese into pieces, add 2 eggs, mix well, add flour, and basically it sounds like they're like little, it says the batter should be thick like dough, not like traditional pancake batter. So it sounds like they're little balls full of cheese, which sound delicious. So, yeah, I might have to look into those. Let's double check on our original box. There was also some Basker wheels, which are pancakes filled with raspberry jam. Some more croutons, which sound, they're more like the twisty kind of breadsticks, which were salmon and cheese flavored with tartar sauce. Okay, Lucky Rolls, which is a sweet, crispy wafer smothered in condensed milk. Sounds good. Some chocolate, named after the daughter of the first woman in space. That's cool. And mini free onion rings. So those like air puffed onion rings. I had like the pickled ones from the UK that I really liked. So it sounds like those. But yeah, well, that's good. I still have one more snack journey to make, which I'm really excited about. But for now, I'm done. I'm gonna head off to my next country. Maybe someday I'll get these like, maybe I'll get them like and do them right away so I have the snacks right away, but who knows? I don't know. These are another fun box if you're looking for something fun to do. I am liking these. I'd say go with the Universal Yums though, not SnackCrate. The Universal Yums is a little bit more reliable. However, this Russian one was really good. I don't know. You're fake. Maybe there's another one. If there's another one that you've heard is better, let me know. Maybe I'll just get it too and I'll just compare snack boxes. Oh man, that sounds so good. Yeah. But that brings me to the end of the episode. Thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you could hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, turn on post notifications, whatever. Or do none of those. Thanks for stopping by. And while you're here, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!